guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Mac fan noise issue. So to do this is pretty simple. So basically here, when you are using your Mac and overload, the CPU and GPU are working together, it will use the fan to cool off the actual unit. So to do this is to actually reduce this fan noise is first, if you're using Opera GX or any type of browser that has a cleaner built in, you can do that right here. So you can start cleaning its cache and start removing actual tabs that use up the RAM. So you can check that out here in your activity monitor. As you can see right here, if you are using a lot of memory and a lot of CPU usage, it's gonna kick in the fans in no time. So basically when it's actually just right here and you see it's idle, the idle is pretty high, that's a good sign that the fans won't kick in at any time. But basically when this idle is already low and it's not even here and it's being used by a user or the system itself, that's when the fans are going to kick in. So you can also cut off some power loss right here and the fan noise will kick down if you close up some actual apps using here. So as you can see, I already used up my 8 gigs of RAM in the memory, and all you have to do is actually close some applications that you're not using so that it will make way for your computer to just breathe, basically. So the last solution to this is actually having to update your own Mac OS. Once you update your Mac OS, this can solve some issues that can be found with the Mac fan noises. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.